channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. This video features a 3-in-1, and what that means is I'm going to be doing 3 makeup looks using only one palette. The palette that I will be delving in for today is the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. If you haven't seen my review on that, I'm going to put it in the cards above right here. Otherwise, from that, if you want to see the 3 makeup looks I create using this one palette, please keep watching.
Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30
You can either wear your eye like this, where it's subtle and still non-cut crease, or if you really want that pop, then you can apply glitter. The glitter that I will be delving into is by Beauty Glaze, and it is the pressed glitter palette in that blue shade.
Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Lashes I will be wearing in this section of the video is by Lashes by Giselle, and this is in the style number 36. So I'm going to pop on this bad boy and I'm going to show you the full result. Okay, so I'm going to come at you with a second makeup look that I'm going to do using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, but I'm not just going to use the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm also going to dive into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm only going to use a few shades out of here. Unfortunately, this palette is no longer available, but the shades that I will be showing you during the video, you can use those in different palettes.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
now this is the look, but it's not finished yet because of course your girl's got to put on a pair of lashes. So now the lashes that I will be wearing today are by Lashes by Giselle, and this is in the style number 38.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Alright, so this was a very quick makeup tutorial for the third eye look. And now for my lashes, I'm going to be bringing it back with the Lashes by Giselle. And this is in the style number 36.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you.
So that was the 3 looks that I created using this Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. If you'd like to see any more makeup looks from the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, please be sure to comment that down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of. Ooh, also too, comment below which makeup look was your favorite. And also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as when my videos are out. That's all I have for today. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the section that's coming up. I will see you there. Bye!